Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In this video, I would be talking about how to trade. Our awesome new trader that is in the game is called Trade VFX. Okay, I think Trade VFX. Okay, let me confirm that. Go back, go back. Okay, Trade VFX. Okay, so what's the best way to do that, and how do we set the account for that? You come to Discovery, then you type in Trade VFX. Okay, that's it, and that's the logo. So you click on it. Okay, and you want to click on Copy. So when you click on Copy, number one is you need to understand this guy very well. You need to understand this guy very well. He is a sniper and he's not stable in his trade. So when you're clicking on the size, you want to make use of proportion by equity. Proportion by equity. So when you're using proportion by equity, we click on it. And if you're trading this guy alone, that is what this video is all about. If you're trading this guy alone, your proportion by equity should be 1, but should be 1. But if you are not trading this guy alone, then you need some adjustment, which should be done in another video where I'll be mixing this guy's trade with other traders. So this guy alone, please use 0. Use 1. What does it mean? It simply means that whatever this guy is doing, you are also doing it in that same proportion. For example, if you have a $5,000 account or 5,000 cent account, and he is having a 10,000 cent account, if he is trading a lot size, he will be trading half of the lot size with you. So that is exactly what it means. So this compares your trades with his trade and fix the lot size automatically according to your capital and his own capital. It will determine what you'll be trading. Okay, round up to minimum trade size. Okay, then copy existing trades. I don't want to copy existing trades. So then I agree. So I agree on this. I confirm. Then that's all. So yes, okay. But I will not be setting any max drawdown, but you might do it if you want to. That means I will not be putting anything here, but you can do it if you want to. Like I said, if you're copying people like this and you're using that, you might use 30% because hardly do this guy also get to 30%, but it's okay. You can put in 30%. I don't know. You can put in 30, you can put in 40, but I'm not going to use this because I trust these guys that they are not going to burn my account, but it is my trust. It is not your trust. So if you want to guide your wall account, you can always put it. You understand? And the only thing is when it takes off when it gets to your stop loss, don't feel bad. You set it. Aha. So the risk for not setting it is to lose your entire account, which is very low, but it's not like it is not possible. Anything is possible in the space. You understand? So don't say that blah, blah, blah. Aha. So, and tomorrow I might just go back and put it when I feel like, but sometimes we need to study these guys before putting our stop loss. This guy is a very new guy. In just 2 weeks, he went down to 20 something drawdown, but and it came back up. So we don't know how often it will be going there, and we don't know how aggressive his trade is, so that we'll not just be cutting out of the trades every now and then. So that's the reason why I'm not even putting it at this time. So okay, so I'm not be putting it at this time. So I agree and confirm. So I'm trading this guy right away now. So this guy is on my list. Okay, this guy is on my list right now. So like I've messed up my account previous time when I was trying to trade by myself. So all this down was not on TradeVFX's. It was me that did that. I was test running how to trade by myself, and I messed up my account. And I think I did a video on that. You might check that. So Okay, that's on how to set up trades with this awesome guy, TradeVFX. If you want to trade VFX, and this video is simply on how to copy TradeVFX alone. If you want to add him to other traders, you need to be careful. And I will be running another video on that later on. Thank you. God bless.